Wait till they're really big and they're actually running after it.
Wait, so where did you get that?
Curlypoultry.com.
You bought that on the internet?
Yeah.
They just came in the mail one day?
Yeah.
So that's just nice.
If you want one, $5.
No, thank you. They keep trying to eat it. That's so sad.
Alright, send them the other way. That's so awesome. Wait, what the fuck? Leonidas is so big.
Oh no!
Leonidas is slipping all over the place. That's mean. That's mean.